Maputo. I wish we had mom's phone, eh? But they can't see nicely. The sea level is high in Maputo. There's a cyclone. You know, there's a cyclone, yeah.
What's that?
Cyclone is like, I don't know how to explain, but it's heavy rain that comes, so they give it a name. That I wanted them to see the waves, but they can't see the waves. The waves are not showing.